rifle deer hunt. My little brother Tucker's got a tag, and we're going to go down and see if we can't put a big buck on the ground. So here we go. Big iron. When he tried to match the ranger with the big iron on his hip. Big iron on his hip. West, got an old grove there that'll cook 3 square, and a home where I can lay me down to rest. Up at dawn to beat the sun. I've forgotten what I care or what it means. And for all the day is done, with my pocket money jingling in my jeans, I've got 160 acres full of sunshine. Tucker spotted him a good buck up here, and we're gonna go get it. Heck yeah. You got one loaded in. Careful there, there's that guy. Oh yeah. Hold up. Hold up. Don't.
That one didn't shoot, did you? Hell? It went load.
Tucker just shot at a deer. We're gonna go find it.
We hope.
Happened too fast. I didn't get it on the camera. But he hit him and he jumped. Duck's deer was standing right there. We were down there. And he came and jumped right up here. But we have hiked all over this mountain trying to find Tucker's deer. No blood.
No buck.
No buck. No tracks.
Nope.
But I shot at a grouse and missed. And I could have had a couple bunny rabbits, but I was just telling Tucker that when I was about his age, I had an elk tag and we had hiked all over these mountains and we hadn't seen a single thing. And I came out to this one little opening and there was a big jackrabbit sitting there. And so I was like, come over the radio, got on the walkie-talkie. I was like, Dad, there's this rabbit, can I shoot it? And he's like, yeah, there hasn't been anything out here. He's like, go ahead and shoot it. So all I had was my 30-06. And
I pulled up, rabbit in the crosshairs, boom, I got it. Well, he was only about 30 or 40 yards out there, so there wasn't much left of the rabbit, but it was a pretty good shot for being that close. And then once I told my dad about it, he was like, what? I was thinking it was a couple 100 yards out there. But it was a pretty good day. Tucker's gonna go see how close he can get to these little does over here. We just jumped 2 big 4 points out of this bottom down in here, and they just ran right up towards Tucker. He hit that one pretty good. He's an awesome buck. Whoa, big buck down. He just walked up over that hill over there. I think he's got 3 shots in him. Tucker got him. Let's go get him. He is a stud buck. Freaking little lucky kid. That bush just scared me. Good shooting, Tuck.
I got it.
I know, I saw it.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Is he down? I saw those 2 deer come out and I was like,
That one was a lot taller, but
yeah,
I just saw antlers and I shot.
that's good. Hold up. Oh yeah, I see him piled up. Hold up, let's wait for Dad.
That tree.
Big buck down.
Yeah. It wasn't good, like, I hit his front shoulder, so he was like limping, and I was like, oh yes. I thought he went down right behind this tree right here, and the bigger, like, taller buck started humping it. Oh, exactly where that doe went, right underneath that tree. The bigger, taller buck went underneath, but he stopped there and I shot him.
He's piled up right there, under that tree. Right there. Good job, dude.
Yeah.
That was awesome. All right, we're gonna go. We're gonna go up and get Tucker's buck. He's a 4 point on one side, Tuck.
4 point on both sides.
Both sides.
For sure. Oh my God. Well, I got him right here, that's for sure. Yeah. Well, I figured one out. No, he's a 3x4.
Nice.
Holy crap.
Holy cow, this is steep.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think of that buck, Tuck?
Yeah.
Holy smokes, this is steep. There he lays.
Hey, Dad. I definitely beat Dalton.
Good job, Tuck.
Yeah. Big buck down.